Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice vodka. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: rice, water, and a suitable yeast. We'll then prepare the rice by cooking it thoroughly and allowing it to cool. Next, we'll introduce the yeast to begin the fermentation process, which typically takes about 7 to 14 days. Finally, we'll distill the fermented wash to produce your very own rice vodka. It's a rewarding process that yields a unique spirit. To begin fermentation, cook about 5 pounds of rice until it's fully gelatinized, almost like a sticky porridge. Then, cool the rice down to below 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, you'll add your chosen yeast and an amylase enzyme, or koji, to convert the starches into fermentable sugars. Mix everything well in a sanitized fermenter. Let this mash ferment for 7 to 14 days, ensuring a consistent temperature for optimal yeast activity. Once fermentation is complete, it's time for distillation. Carefully transfer your fermented rice wash into a still. Begin heating the wash slowly, allowing the alcohol to vaporize and condense. Remember to make proper cuts. Discard the first small amount, known as the foreshots, as it contains undesirable compounds. Then, collect the hearts, which is the pure, drinkable vodka. Finally, stop collecting when you reach the tails, which are lower in alcohol and quality. After distillation, you can filter your rice vodka through activated carbon to improve its smoothness and remove any remaining impurities. Next, dilute the vodka with distilled water to your preferred alcohol percentage, typically around 40%. Once diluted, bottle your finished product in clean, sealed containers. Your homemade rice vodka is now ready to be enjoyed responsibly. Cheers to your successful brewing endeavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.